Hello and welcome to this course on how to bring your text to life in After Effects. My name is Oliver and I've been doing motion design for the past 8 years. In all of that time I've always been fascinated by text animation and explored a load of different styles. Text animation can be a great asset for logo animations, title sequences, or even graphic elements such as lower thirds. I see a lot of people here on Fiverr selling those exact services, and therefore it's always great to lock down the techniques and principles so you can impress the largest amount of potential buyers. In this course I'll go in depth with the proper use of squash and stretch, as well as physics, to make your animation get a sense of weight. By also learning the graph editor, you'll be able to get the right easing, and by offsetting, it'll make your animation look a lot more interesting. But most important of all, I won't just teach you how to do these things, but actually why you should be doing them and when you should be implementing them. You see, truly understanding these concepts really helps transferring all of the techniques and principles into all of your work, and not just text animation. By the end of the course, you'll have animated a piece of text, that being your own name, the name of a company, or a logo, but you'll also walk away with a much better understanding of animation and every single little decision that lies behind. So let's jump right into it.